select ride, or race.
You're going up a steeper grade and you want it to downshift a little bit quicker, you can do that. But it really is best to let it do the downshifting for you. When you let off the throttle, roll off the throttle, or apply the brake, it'll downshift. All the way to a stop, it'll downshift. That does have hill assist too. Now upshifting, the key there is do not lift the throttle, right? I mean, you can do it, and you probably will by the downshift, whatever it might be. So the main thing is just maintain a steady throttle position and hit the thumb shifter. Doesn't matter if it's 1700 RPMs, 4500 RPMs, the computer will adjust for the RPMs you're going to make it a smooth transition.
One other note too, because most of you guys are motorcycle riders, typically there's not going to be any reason to go into neutral. You come to a stop. Right. You saw him put it in reverse there, and it still was staying still. So when you're in first gear, it's not going to roll on you. When you're reverse, it's not going to roll on you. So when you come to that stop and it goes in first gear, sit there, look around, check the traffic, light turns green, and you just start going.
Yeah, think of it as a slipper clutch. I mean, basically, think of it as that aspect of it. But it is a 6-speed gearbox.
Very forgiving.
Yeah, exactly.
Mm-hmm.
Very user friendly. Yeah. And then the other thing too is, like I said, there's a little bit of body sway to it, but it doesn't lean at all like a motorcycle.
Is that the suspension?
So it's so the way it's set up, so it doesn't articulate, like some of the 3-wheel scooters do. Like Aprilia's got one that does that, Piaggio's got one that does that, and it's not like the Niken,
Yeah, what's that, Yamaha?
Yeah, it's not like that at all. So it's going to feel a little weird for you at first, especially if you go around corners at a little bit faster pace. You'll want to weight the outside floorboard. So if you're going left, you're going to put most of your weight on the right, and vice versa, like you would a 4-wheeler or a snowmobile.
Your leaning in your upper body isn't going to matter as much as your mental leaning in your lower body.
Yeah.
So it's kind of more the bracing instead of this.
Okay.
Yeah.
So people.
Bunch of different Canams. I did my GoPro on a bit of a different setup today, a little something different. We're gonna see what's going on, but regardless, we're gonna get to try these new machines out. Never been on one of these before. There will be some directional info in the beginning as well. Taking you guys through the experience I also went through. Now I am going to be riding the Spyder F3 Can-Am, and we're gonna go see what's up over here. And I'm gonna fire this thing up here momentarily. So seating, very cool, very interesting, very different. Was gonna use some 360 video today, but I don't believe I'm going to. Controls are looking pretty basic, and they are looking like they're going to be running us through a short demo course.
To start, just turn the key on. So you've got one. Yeah, it's a little bit different. It is a little different. So yeah, same thing. And then if you want, we can prefer the white screen or the dark screen.
That one's got Brembo brakes on it. At least the calipers. At least the calipers at bare minimum. Nope, they all got Brembos on them. Part of the pricing, I would assume, comes from some strong Brembo brakes. These little vents here. Pretty cool indeed.
Okay, Corey, same thing. Start sequence, yep, turn it on. Let it do its thing.
Let's read the safety manual.
Yep. Okay, so on this one, let's see if it does this. Nope, that's not it. Okay, so mode button. Push the mode button. You got it. There you go. Let's see. There you go. Okay, there you go. And then to start it, you simply put your foot on the brake, safety switch is on, starter button.
Definitely sounds good.
Yep, and then to put it in gear, you just use your thumb shifter. And then release the parking brake is here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, so just do a couple laps around the concourse, get a feel for, you know, how it steers, and the brake pedal again. I mean, the big thing is no front brake. We're so used to using that so much, you know, it takes a little bit to unforget that, you know. So.
I agree. Wow. Very interesting, guys. Anyway, we got one brake on the side over here, the little sport model. And come over here and start this little course here. No nothing, no clutch, no none of that stuff. Like, oh, this thing handles so crazy. So what do you think? I think it's super dope. No, we're in there. This is definitely, I like, how do those feel? Because that's pretty big. Those are both pretty big. Yours seems like yours. No, this is the sport only. This is the sport only joint. Okay, cool. It's so weird pulling off and no, like he said, no clutch. Like, the clearance is super dope. The clearance is super dope. Eco mode, eco off, eco mode, eco off. Let's go eco off. No, I'm definitely testing them. The brakes are definitely nice and, like you said, definitely nice and smooth. No, I'm not passing nobody. I'll slow down. Are we going? I'll slow it. Yes, this is what I wanted. This is what I wanted. Oh yeah, it's definitely like riding a quad. It's definitely like riding a quad. Oh, she got some goose! Yeah, you have to upshift. You have to. Yeah, I mean, it'll downshift on its own, he said, but you can downshift it still. Yeah, you have to up. I ain't mad at you. Go ahead. I already did one. The downshifts is smooth as hell. Because it's going too fast. I'm going to be going 60. It got some pickup. Definitely got some power down low. Don't wreck into the guardrail. Man, them downshifts are nice. Oh my God, the wheels! Hey, don't get scared and try and grab front brake because you ain't getting nothing. It's chilling at 60, trying to feel how I got a corner, because like it don't feel, like you said, it don't feel stable, like it's wobbly. Lay on it. And put your, no, like he said, you got to be putting your feet on the floorboards. That's what I've been trying to, like, push my feet harder on whatever these are, rear. Oh my God, no, don't downshift. Don't. Don't. Oh, these brakes though. Yo, the brakes aren't like, they got Brembo calipers, but no bite for real. Yeah, there's Brembos on each and every one of these at least. First gear goes to 60? That thing got a little... Them downshifts ain't bad though. Put a little exhaust on that thing. No, it does. Wait, listen. You right here, watch. I'm gonna get the first gear down. The first gear downshift be alright. First and second. I'm just trying to get comfortable hitting the turn signals. I think it's just so weird. No clutch, like it's so chill, yo. It's so chill. Like I could see any female, like. Yeah, you gotta shift up. Yeah, this thing's... But it definitely got some nice goose in first. Super comfortable being the sport model. Yep. Mirrors. The mirrors work exceptionally well for what they are. I mean, not huge. Throttle's a little twitchy. And for something like this, you'd really think it wouldn't be. You think these things can do burnouts? Alright, he said that's every brake. Yeah, that's more. It is weird though. I keep forgetting he said that you don't have to be on the brake when you're in gear. Oh, maybe that's what that controls. Fuel, stat, temp, range, settings, RPMs. I mean, the value's all there though. The Brembo caliper is, you know, a decent little speedo. It's not boring and bland. Like, yep. And I keep forgetting which way the slap shifter works. I remember that it's just pushing forward. No, that's the one I'm on. Yep. Yeah, when you do that, that shit's weird as hell. Like, it's just, I think it's just because we're not used to it. No, it's quick enough. I just got to like 70. That's booming, bro. Woo! I feel like that ass end can come loose. Got to 70, 80. Woo! See if I can get a second gear smackdown by myself. Come on, you want it? You want it, self? Because I've only tapped first gear is spunky, but second gear, you got to come out of. Oh no, there we go. Second gear, got it. Woo! She getting squirrely. She's getting squirrely. This thing's not fast, but it's definitely fun and it's relaxing. No, you're good. It's relaxing fun. That's probably the best part about it. Second got some growl. Woo! Yes, sir. Hey, that's coming from somebody who rides an Ninja H2. This thing ain't too bad, baby. I'm comfortable. Shit, chilling. Like I said, other than getting, yeah, that thing sound good on the downshifts. Other than getting used to it, he up there listening to music and shit. Heavy brakes, because I'm about to get on you. Woo! That ass shouldn't be feeling squirrely. I know you've been hearing them downshifts, Randy. You could definitely hook these things though and do donuts, that's for sure. For shortly. I've been doing it, I swear. Oh! I tried that. That's right.